Work performance. To often optimize the cooling effect, we suggest putting in chilled foods and drinks. It will take 2 or 3 hours for cooling the unfrozen foods or drinks. And you can put makeup, masks, or medicine in here to keep fresh as well.